Now, once you've got square numbers down, square roots are quite straightforward because they're just working backwards from the square roots, sorry, from the squared numbers. So a square root is actually undoing a square. Okay, so for instance, we all know that, well, hopefully everybody knows this, 8 squared, because you've memorized them, is 64. So the square root, which we write as this, the square root of 64 is saying, what number have we squared to get 64? And that, of course, is 8. So that's your square roots. It's as simple as it gets, okay? So let's have a look at what is the square root of 49 and then 841. So square root of 49 is the first question. Square root of 841. Now, some of them are going to be very straightforward, like 49. They're the ones that we have memorized, right? So we should recognize 49 as a squared number and know that the number that we squared was 7. So the square root of 49 is 7. Now, for this one, it's trickier. You'll have to use your square root button on your calculator. Now, you'll have to have a look at yours, but it is a little button either that looks like this, okay, or it could be above a button, above the squared button. So it could look like something like this. And then you have to press the second button to get that square root. Again, please, if you don't know, come and ask me. So I am not sure which one yours is, but let's say let's say yours is the second button. So we press second, we press x squared, which will give us the square root, and on your calculator it will type square root, and then you type the number 841 equals, and your calculator will give you the answer of 29. So working backwards, if we had to double check, you could do 29 times 29 is 841 for the check.